Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by treating it like a live system. Clear the Glock and verify the chamber visually and physically. Once done, consult the manual and local regulations so you know legal and warranty consequences. Make a decision now about whether to proceed yourself or enlist a certified gunsmith. This choice changes the next steps. Prepare a stable, well-lit bench and a roll of cleaning cloths. Make sure distractions are removed, and take photos for reference before any work begins. Next, perform a careful inspection without forcing parts. Photograph the site and its seating so you can restore alignment later. Once done, note whether the site appears glued, pressed, or factory-peened. That assessment informs whether a gunsmith is required. Make sure you have ownership documents and serial numbers handy, and contact a reputable, certified gunsmith for an evaluation if there is any sign of permanent attachment. This preserves safety and value while avoiding risky attempts that could damage the slide. Finish by either proceeding with a trained gunsmith who will remove or replace sights using proper presses or tooling, or choose DIY only for non-permanent, user-serviceable sights after confirming the mechanism. Once done, recheck alignment, function, and safety systems. Perform a function check in a safe area or have a pro do it. If you encounter stubborn bonding, visible slide deformation, or misalignment, stop immediately and contact a gunsmith. Continuing can ruin the slide or compromise safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.